Nelk is back. Go like and comment. Women for Trump. I gotta stand up for our women. Nelk is back, man. The best YouTube channel in the world. Look, this is 100% tobacco. This is like the strongest shit ever here. So we'll smoke this. We'll see if I can. Oh fuck. Fuck. This is 100% tobacco. Very strong shit. If you smoke weed out here, you'll get fucking beheaded, get your dick chopped off. So, I'm gonna go outside because I don't wanna fuck everything up. But yeah, if you smoke weed out here, you get your fucking cock chopped off. And I guess they feed it to you. There you go. Alright, this is 100% tobacco. It's really fucked up. Let's see if we can take it down. Like a man, let's see. Someone bet me, this guy said he'd bet me any money that I cough. And I didn't take the bet, but I didn't do it. But, oh shit. Oh, I gotta go get more. I spilled it. Hold on. But yeah, Nelk's back. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be goddamn huge. So this is 100% tobacco. Apparently, it's supposed to fucking give you the head rush. It's supposed to put you on fucking planet Pluto. All right, let's see if I can take it down. Show the view. I'll show the view. Hold on. Let me just see if I can take this shit down. Bro, you hit that shit, you're on fucking planet Pluto. Woo! Woo! That's good shit. That's good shit. That's good shit. Woo! No, I'm not smoking weed, dude. I'll get my dick chopped off. I'm smoking weed. I'll get fucking beheaded. I'm fucking